the Indian civil rights activist, also known as the Iron Lady of Manipur, or in their local language Manipuri, Bengali. That means the fair ones is the Indian civil rights activist, a political activist, and also a poet from Manipur from the northeastern states of India. On 15th November 2000, she began a hunger strike in favor of abolishing the Armed Forces Special Power Act 1958. That applied to the almost all the 7 states of Northeast because of the insurgency and giving certain rights to the soldiers who were fighting there for their safety against those people who are fighting against the nation. Under this act, it granted the armed forces the authority to search without warrant, arrest and use force if there is a reasonable suspicion against the person who is acting against the state. She finished her fast on 9th August 2016 after 16 years of continuous fasting. Having refused food and water for more than 500 weeks, she was nasally force fed in jail. She has been called the world's longest hunger striker also. On International Women's Day, she has been voted the top woman in India by MSN poll. In 2014, two political parties asked her to stand in the assembly elections, but she declined. However, she was then denied the right of vote as a person confined to the jail cannot vote as per the law. On 19th August 2014, the court ordered her release from the custody, subject to having no other grounds for further retention or detention. She was re-arrested on 22nd August 2014 on similar charges and was kept in remand in custody for another 15 days. Amnesty International declared her as a person of conscience. Sharmila grew up in Manipur, which suffered insurgency for decades. From between 2005 to 2015, more than 5,500 people lost their lives. That included soldiers also. In 1958, Indian government passed the law of Armed Forces Special Power Act AFSPA 1958. And Sharmila, now 49, becomes the face of the anti-AFSPA movement in Manipur on government's decision to lift Armed Forces Special Power Act from certain parts of the Assam, Manipur and Nagaland. She welcomed the government's decision to remove the act from the several parts of the Assam, Manipur and Nagaland, and she said this is the democratic way. She said it is a new beginning and is a result of the decades-long fight. She married her long-time British partner Desmond Anthony Bellarmine Contino and is a mother of 2 daughters. She ultimately fought an assembly, 2017 Manipur Legislative Assembly, and lost the elections. In 2019, after the murder of the journalist Gauri Lankesh, Sharmila said that she is no more interested in politics, has already experienced the electoral politics and the semantics of its process. It is not for her. Several books have been written on her. And Dipti Priya Mehrotra's Burning Bright from Sharmila, Irom Sharmila and the Struggle for Peace in Manipur. Then Irom, Two Journeys. Then the very famous theatre artist Ojas SV, a theatre artist from Pune, he performed a mono play titled Le Mashal, Take the Torch, based on the Sharmila's life and struggle. This play is being performed at several venues in several parts of Indian states. Definitely, she is rightly called Iron Ram Sharmila. Thank you very much.